Hi everyone, I am doing this video to do a quick tutorial how you could do stained glass templates for your shop on Etsy. This is a very trending product at the moment. As you could see, all of this say popular now, bestseller, so it's quite trending at the moment. And even when you click in one, you can see like this, only 3 left and 20 are in the basket. So it could show you that it's very popular. So like this one is in more than 20 baskets. So this is a way you could prove this is a very trending product. Other thing you could do is use a software like Insect Factory. And you could see when I search for stained glass and I put the products, digital products only, you can see here they are quite trending and low competition. So this is a really good product for you to jump in if you are new on Etsy and want to create more momentum in your shop. So for example, this one, the stained glass template wedding sign, you have 114 competitors in Etsy and 41 listings on the first page at sales this week. Or this one, that is the stained glass table numbers, again, 46 competitors and 12 was sold. This means you need exactly now to jump on this product. And I will show you exactly how you could do this very quick and very easy. I will provide to you this list of prompts that I did. You have here some for welcome sign and then here some for the table numbers. All you need to do is just to change the number for each prompt so it could give you a different number. To create the image, you could create using ChatGPT or ImageFX is where I found it was giving better results because you need the lines to be very bold. It cannot be faint. So all you need to do is just copy, for example, this one and place on the ImageFX. Let's change this to square and just create. Or you could use ChatGPT as well. Just copy the prompt and it will give you really nice results. The only problem with ChatGPT is there is a limitation of many images you could do per hour. So it could be a bit annoying. But if you only do 1, 2, or 3, will be perfectly fine. So any of them will work fine. See, it's very pretty. You have a lot of options here. After you generate, just save to your computer and go to Canva. In Canva, upload all of them, and in here, you're going to start designing. So let's choose, for example, this one for the welcome sign. And we will use a little app called Trace. So once you open, so it's Tracer, you can also go to apps and just search here Tracer. Open, select the image, select black and white and click in trace image. So what this will do is it will create a SVG of this file, so it will be with better quality. Okay, and again, expand this one. So now we have a SVG, really good quality with nice lines. Once you have done the trace, you can start doing the actual design with all the text. So let's just put welcome with a nice romantic font. Let's use gratitude. I quite like it. So put welcome. And here to our wedding. And here we can put just a normal font. And a bit smaller. Then the names. And then in the end, we will just add the date. So 20th June 2027. Now let's make sure all of this is centered. Yep. Let's put this bit down. The name's a bit bigger and centered and closer. Okay, it's perfect. So this is, for example, for the welcome sign. And you can just save as JPEG just for our mockup, because to send to the client, you're going to send as a template on Canva. So you can just change the name and the dates. So let's just record this one. And then for the table number, we do exactly the same. So just choose one. It can be, for example, let's do this one. It's quite nicer. We will do again the trace. Just adjust the size. Yeah, and just save as JPEG again. Now, to create mockups, you can use Mockably. This is a really good and very quick app that you could do any type of mockups for printables or print-on-demand products. It's very fun and very quick. You have several types of tools you can use. You use the catalog products when you have already a product that is on our catalog, or you could choose a custom product. That is the option that we will choose for this type of product. So all you need to do is just in product 1, upload, for example, the welcome sign, select a theme for wedding. Let's do outdoor, front view, square, and you just type, this is a stained glass colored. It is in a tool easel, and just click generate. Here is the result for the wedding sign. It's really cute. It did like it was a glass. It colored like if they colored on top. It's really nice for a thumbnail for your Etsy shop. So now for the table number, we do the same. Product 1, select the design. Let's do indoor this time. Is wedding, the theme. And then additional scene notes, you're going to put stained glass table number colors in a wedding table setup. And just press generate. Here it is, an example. It did the shape. It colored a few. You can ask like color the whole thing to cover the whole glass. So this is a really quick, nice way you could do this type of products, from researching, doing all the prompts that I will provide to you, doing the templates on Canva, and then in the final do all the mockups. That is very quick, very easy, and it will create a really nice Etsy product in your shop. I hope you enjoyed this video, and just comment below if you would like me to do more type of this content for you with some step-by-steps.